Welcome back. Now that we have covered row-level transformations with apply method, it's time to return to our original plan and focus on systematically adding new columns. In this lecture, we'll explore how to create new metrics and derived columns in Pandas to enrich your dataset. First of all, let us understand why we need to add new columns. Adding new columns is essential for 1. Creating derived metrics that help uncover insights such as commission amount or profit margin. 2. Preparing data for visualization or advanced analysis. 3. Simplifying repetitive calculations by storing intermediate results in new columns. For example, in our Toyota sales dataset, we can calculate commission amount or flag high value sales to make the data more actionable. First, let us make sure we create DataFrame by name Toyota sales data using our data in CSV file. Now let's start by adding a new column commission underscore amount calculated as sale amount multiplied by commission percentage. We'll ensure the data has no missing values by replacing nulls in commission percentage with 0. Already we have seen an example with fillna where we should be able to fill null values with zeros. We'll use that approach to update the null values in commission percentage with 0. Then we'll get into the details related to computing commission amount with updated commission percentage values. To update commission percentage with zeros where they are null, we should be able to follow this approach. We can say Toyota sales data, then commission underscore PCT equal to Toyota underscore sales underscore data, then commission underscore PCT, then fill NA of 0. Now let me run this. It have ran as per the expectations. Let me copy paste. Let me say dot head of 10. You can see the outcome. Here when it comes to commission percentage, it have zeros instead of null values. In case if you wanted to ensure whether it is working as per the expectations or not, you can restart this. Let me clear all outputs. Let me run this. Then let me add this between these two cells and run this. First we are previewing the data without applying fill NA with zeros on top of commission percentage. You can see there are quite a few commission percentage values where they are null. Now after running this, if you review, all the nulls are replaced with zeros. This is how fill NA can be used to update null values in commission percentage with 0. Now let's talk about adding a new column for commission amount. Either we can use apply or we can also use this approach. Let me say Toyota sales data, then commission amount equal to Toyota sales data sale amount multiplied by Toyota underscore sales data commission percentage. For simpler use cases, we should be able to use this approach. However, in complex scenarios, we might have to use apply method. We have to create a special method or function and then we have to invoke that using apply. Already we have seen examples with apply in previous lecture. We will see some advanced examples of adding new columns where apply is also relevant. That being said, the fill NA method ensured that there are no null values in commission percentage. When it comes to the new column commission amount, it is calculated directly using a simple multiplication, which you can see here. Next, let's create a column called sales category. When it comes to the sales category, it categorizes sales into high, medium or low based on sale amount. Here we have to use conditional logic. We can apply using apply method or direct boolean indexing. First, we'll go to the details using boolean indexing. We'll also see example with apply. Here, let me say Toyota sales data, then sale underscore category equal to low, which means by default we are setting sale category as low. Let me run this. Then we'll say Toyota underscore sales underscore data, then LOC. This is nothing but indexing. And then we should be able to say Toyota underscore sales underscore data, then sale amount. If it is greater than 30,000, we wanted to categorize it under medium. For that purpose, I should be able to use this approach. I can specify the column name, which is nothing but sale underscore category. Now I should be able to assign medium, which means if this condition is true, then for those rows, the sale category will be medium. Let me run this. Let me preview the data. Let me say Toyota sales data, then head of 20. Let me run this. Let me drop a few columns. What I'll be doing is here itself, I'll be saying Toyota underscore sales data drop, then sale rep ID and sale underscore status. I'll be updating the same data frame. Hence, I should be able to say Toyota underscore sales underscore data equal to this one. Now let me run this. Here I have to say axis equal to 1 because I wanted to drop the columns. Let me say axis equal to 1. Now let me run this. It ran as per the expectations. Now you can see outcome. I have ran all the cells. It is saying either low or medium. If it is less than 30,000, it is low. You can see here, this is low and the sale amount is less than 30,000. This is more than 30,000, hence it is saying medium. Now I wanted to add one more, which is nothing but high. If the sale amount is more than 40,000, I wanted to set it to high. So here what I can do is I can copy this. I can paste here. Then I can say 40,000 sale category high. Now let me run this and then let me run this. You can see the outcome. Because this is more than 40,000, the sale category is high. Boolean conditions are used to assign categories based on sale amount. The lock method is an efficient way of update specific rows based on conditions. Here you can also use apply method. For that, what I'll be doing is I'll be creating a new function. The function name is nothing but get sale category, then sale. Here we can say if sale of sale amount is greater than 40,000, then return high. If sale of sale underscore amount greater than 30,000, return medium, else return low. Now the function is defined. We should be able to say Toyota underscore sales data, then sale category equal to Toyota sales data dot apply, then function. The function is nothing but get sale category axis equal to 1 because we have to apply for each and every row. Now let me run this. It have ran successfully. Let me say Toyota sales data dot head of 20. You can see the outcome as per the expectations. This is greater than 40,000, hence it is saying high. This is greater than 30,000 but less than 40,000, hence it is saying medium. For those where sale amount is less than 30,000, it is saying low. Here apply is used along with get sale category to assign categories based on sale amount. Using if conditions as part of this function, we are able to compute conditional sale category. Now let's get into the details about updating values in existing columns. Sometimes existing columns need to be updated to align with new requirements. Let's update the sales status column by replacing pending with in progress. First, let me preview the data, then I'll take it further. Here I need to have the sales status also because we are attempting to update sales status. For that purpose, let me pick the code from the first cell. Now I should be able to paste at the end. Let me run this. Now Toyota sales data is as per the data in CSV file. Let me preview the data here. Let me say dot head with 20. You can see the outcome. When it comes to sales status, we have values such as completed, pending and cancelled. We wanted to change pending to in progress. We don't want to add new columns. We just wanted to update some of the values in sales status which is already existing. For that purpose, we should be able to use a function or method called as replace, which is available on top of series or DataFrame object. Here we'll be applying on top of series object where the series is based on sales status. Now let me say Toyota sales data, then sales status, then equal to Toyota underscore sales underscore data, then sale underscore status. Here we have to invoke replace. Let me say replace. I wanted to replace pending with in progress. Now let me run this. It ran successfully. Let me preview the data. You can see the outcome. When it comes to this one, earlier it was pending, now it is in progress. Let me actually get 20, not just 5. You can see wherever we have seen pending, now it is in progress. When it comes to the replace method, it updates specific values in a column, making it easy to standardize or correct data. Now let's combine these techniques in a bit advanced example. We'll add a column profit margin calculated as sale amount minus commission amount divided by sale amount. That will give us profit margin. We'll also update sale category to include an additional category where we'll be seeing very high if the sales is greater than 50,000 or 45,000. First, let's preview the data, then we'll take it further. In this case, I'll say Toyota underscore sales underscore data, then sale amount, then dot max to get maximum of sale amount. The maximum of sale amount is nothing but $49,995. Hence, if sale amount is greater than 45,000, we'll consider it as very high. Otherwise, we'll consider as high between 40,000 to 45. Between 30,000 to 40,000, we'll consider as medium. Below 30,000, we'll consider as low. Let's go through the details about computing both profit margin as well as sale category with additional category. Here I should be able to say Toyota underscore sales underscore data of profit underscore margin, then equal to, first I need to have commission amount, because when it comes to profit margin, it is nothing but sale amount minus commission amount. Then we have to divide by sale amount. Hence, we need to make sure we have commission amount also as part of our data frame. As I have reset the data frame, it doesn't have commission amount. Let me add commission amount here. Let me say commission amount equal to Toyota sales data, then sale amount multiplied by Toyota sales data commission underscore PCT. Before running this, I also wanted to update commission percentage with zeros when commission percentage is null. For that purpose, I should be able to say Toyota sales data, then commission percentage, then dot fill NA of 0. Let me run this. It will take care of updating commission percentage with zeros when they are none or null. Now let me run this. It will take care of computing the commission amount. As we are ready with the commission amount, we should be able to compute profit margin. For that, we have to subtract commission amount from sale amount and then divide by sale amount. So in this case, I can say Toyota sales data, then sale underscore amount, then subtract Toyota sales data commission amount, then divide by Toyota sales data sale underscore amount. It will compute the profit margin. You should be able to preview the data by saying Toyota sales data dot head of 20. You can see the additional field, which is nothing but profit margin. I think it is towards the right. Let me scroll towards the right and then let me preview the data. You can see there is profit margin here. the profit margin is displayed as per the expectations. Now we also need to add one more column. The column is nothing but sale category. Sale category should also have very high. Earlier we have only up to high. Now we need to include very high also. First, let me pick this piece of code and then I'll take it further. So I should be able to copy this. I'm not using boolean indexing. I'm using apply. For that, first I'm creating a function which says get sale category. Here I have to say if sale of sale amount greater than 45,000, return very high. Then I have to say elif here. Now let's run this. Then let's say Toyota sales data sale category, then equal to Toyota sales data dot apply, then get sale category axis equal to 1. Now let me run this. Let me preview the data by using head of 20 here. Let me scroll down and then let me scroll towards right to review the sale category as well. You can see sale category. You can see this is $49,811.99. When it comes to sale category value, it is very high. So the results are as per the expectations. So in this case, the profit margin column is added using a simple formula, and also we have used apply method to update sale category for sales exceeding 45,000 with very high. Now let's recap what we have covered in this lecture. First, we have added new columns such as commission amount based on existing data. Then we have gone through the details about using conditional logic to create the sale category column. Also, we have seen how to update existing columns like sales status using replace. Also, we have seen how to combine calculations and updates for more advanced transformations. That being said, I hope you have followed the lecture and practiced all the tasks that are demonstrated. If so, great work. In this lecture, you learned how to add and update columns to enrich your dataset with derived metrics and standardized values. In the next lecture, we'll explore merging and joining data frames to combine multiple datasets for a holistic view. See you there.